Welcome, today in front of me SONY Xperia XZ2, and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So now by double tap on the power key on right side of our device, I can launch the camera application, as can you see, and now we'll just change that. So first we should go to the settings application and then tap on the system section. Here just go to the gestures and tap on the power key behavior. Here, as can you see, we just got set it launch camera by double tap press our power key, but we can switch it to the launch Google Assistant app, and now by double press to our power key we can now launch the Google Assistant, as can you see. And if you want, we can sure switch it just to the gestures again to launch the camera. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.